really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Through so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap make you pick, rich get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that dry the boat. Be quiet, be quiet. Let me pop off. Leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mess. Around my neck, it cost her arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them get me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the bank, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the bank, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Put a ribbon on me, I've been acting brand new. I ain't smoking on no Zylo, I'm smoking on you. Put your bestie in a pack and now I'm smoking her too. I've been ballin' so them hard could've went to LSU. Got so many chains on I can't even see my throat. These don't do enough, that's why I always do the most. Bro, give the rich sponsor goals. Only thing a get for me for free is free to bros. Let me pop it off, point me to the biggest. Baby girl, come top it off. She said she don't like me cause she love me, duh, knock it off. That made some pages just to sub me, but I block them all. All these is mid. Got her lurking on my page before she feed her kids. Shitting on these dunking on their heads. Get these some melatonin, put their to bed. Cry for what? These are denim tears. I'm sexy dancing in the house, I feel like Britney Spears. So put it on the floor, just like their career. What they got on me, bodies in a couple years.
I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the bank, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a problem, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening?
Yeah, it's giving. I'm in the booth playing with my
big Latto, big Bardi. It's a real party. Put it on the floor again.
Hey.
Haven't heard from you in a couple of months, but I'm out right now and I'm all bugged up. And you're calling my phone, you're all alone, and I'm sensing some undertones. I'm right here with all my friends, but you're sending me your new address. And I know we're done, I know we're through, but God, when I look at you, my brain goes, oh. Can't hear myself, I cannot hear myself. Should probably not. Seeing you tonight, it's a bad idea, right? Seeing you tonight, it's a bad idea, right? Seeing you tonight, it's a bad idea, right? Seeing you tonight. Fuck it, it's fine. Yes, I know that he's my ex, but can't two people reconnect? I only see him as a friend. The biggest lie I ever said. Oh yes, I know that he's my ex, but can't two people reconnect? I only see him as a friend. His trip to fell into his bed. Now I'm getting in the car, wrecking all my plans. I know I should stop, but I can't. And I told my friends it was asleep, but I never said where or in his sheet. And I pull up to your place on the second floor, and you're standing smiling at the door. And I'm sure I've seen much hotter men, but I really can't remember when. My brain goes, oh. Can't hear myself, I cannot hear myself. Blah, 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 blah. Should probably not. I should probably not. Seeing you tonight, it's a bad idea, right? Seeing you tonight,
always resisted. I hate to admit it, I'm superstitious. This fucking cycle is vicious. I got some issues with trust, and I got some issues with love, but with you, it's different.